sorry, minus plus one resistance, one more current source, and we have 5 amps and one resistance, and this is 2 mhos. Everything is given in terms of mhos, 4 mhos, and here one resistance is there, 7 mhos. 4 VA is said, 5 amps. Find plus minus VA, 5 volts. Okay, right. Take this one as V1, this one as V2, this one as V3. One more node you take it V3, and this one you take it as V4. Okay, right. V4 is equal to 0. You take it. So 3 nodes you take, that is you will get better, easy to analyze. Okay, right. Now what you should do? KCL. We have a super node here between V1 and V3. V1 and V3. Therefore, V3 minus V1. V3 minus V1 is equal to 5. V3 minus V1 is equal to 5. Rearrange it and write the equation. Minus V1 plus V3 is equal to 5. Call this as equation number 1. Call this as equation number 1. Next, KCL to node 1. KCL to node 1. Okay, V1 and V2 super mesh. No need to apply KCL. So now what you should do? So these two combine together single node. No, KCL to super node you can write it. KCL to super node. KCL to super node. What is that we have? So here, how many elements are connected to V1? This and this one. Combine together single node. 1, 2. 2 elements are connected. For this one element is connected. So therefore, what is that? You can write it. Current is leaving plus 5 plus V1 minus V2. V1 minus V2 into 2. 2 into V1 minus V2. Since he has given the conductance, as I said, current is equal to V by R, and 1 by R is G. I is equal to G into V, because here in this question conductance is given. So therefore 2 into V1 minus V2 I have written plus this element. Next V3 minus V2 plus what is that we have? V3 minus V2 divided by into 4. V3 minus V2 into 4 is equal to 0. Now you V2 Okay, right. This one KCL2. Is it audible? KCL2 node 2, KCL to node 2. What is that we have? V2 minus V3, V2 minus V3 into 4 plus current is entering means what? Minus 4 VA, and next V2 minus 0 into 7 is equal to 0. So therefore what is that? You can write it 4V2 plus 7V2, 4V2 plus 7V2, 11V2 minus 4V3 minus 4 into, what is VA? VA is nothing but V3 minus V2. VA is nothing but V minus V2 is equal to 0. So VA is nothing but V3 minus V2. Now what is that? You can write it V2 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4V2, 4V2 plus 11V2, 15V2 minus 4V3 minus 4V3 minus 4V3 minus 8V3 is equal to 0. We get it. Call this as equation number 3. Now go for solution. V1, V2, V3 and write it in the evaluate through matrix. Equation number 1, V1 coefficient is -1, V2 coefficient 0, V3 coefficient 1 and right hand side is 5. And similarly, second equation we have 2, -6, 4 and -5. And third equation 0, 15, -8, 0. Solve this one. Calculate it nodi madam. Kodi illondu kodi. Okay. You can solve this one. Check it and tell me the values. ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೋಡ್ 5 2 okay -1 equals 0 equals 1 equals 5 equals 2 equals -6 equals 4 equals -5 equals 0 equals 15 equals -8 equals 0 equals. How much is that? Oh, -45. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ V1 V2 V3 ನೋಡಿ V1 V2 V3 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ V1 V2 what is the value of V1 V2 V3? -1 0 equals 1 equals 5 equals 2 equals -6 equals equals 4 equals -5 equals 0 equals 15 equals -8 equals 0 equals ಏನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ -5 -45 ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಸರ್ V1 -3.21 V1 -3.21
Yes, sir.
ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ A1 V1 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಕೇಳಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್
V1 minus 3.21.
V1 minus 3.21 V2
V2 0.95.
0.95 V3
1.78.
1.78 V3 volts. Okay, right. Now what is that we have? Okay, what is that VA? He said VA we'll have to find out. VA is nothing but what? VA is nothing but V3 minus V2 because this is plus, so this is minus. VA is equal to V3 minus V2. Okay, right. VA is equal to V3 is how much? 1.78 minus V2 is 0.95. How much is that VA? Subtract ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು 0.83 volts, right? So that is the right answer. 0.834 is the right answer. In the notes, I have done it in a different method. I have not taken this one as a node. Otherwise, it's very difficult to write the equation for this one. Hence, I have taken it as a node. In the notes, I have done it in a different method, but little bit difficult, that one. So it's very difficult to write the equation for VA. Hence, I have taken this way. Okay. So one more node I can imagine and you can do it. Okay. Another one more problem, which is one of the standard problems. What I have seen. Okay, right. Now, use node equations to determine the what value of E will cause the Vx to be 0. Okay, right. Observe here. The question is something like this. Plus, minus, ten ohms, 5 ohms, 3 amps, 3 amps, 2 amps. This is 1.1 Vx, and this is plus minus Vx, and minus plus, this is E, and this is voltage, this voltage plus minus 24 volts, 24 volts. Okay, right. The question is, use node equations to determine what value of E, what value of E will cause the Vx to be 0. So we have to find out the value of E such that Vx is equal to 0. That's what the question is, right? Now identify the nodes. Identify the nodes. Okay, right. Now what I'll call this one as VA, VA, VB, VC, VD, and I'll make this one as ground node. Ground node. Now, what I should do is, we'll have to write down the node equations and identify the super mesh if at all if it is there, and then write down the nodal equations. Now, this is the voltage source between two principal nodes. We can make it as a super mesh. This one is super mesh. Okay, right. If that is super mesh, then what we have is, now this one from the network, what we have, from the network, what we have is VA. So VA is equal, directly we can get the VA because between VA and ground node we have a voltage source without any series resistance. Therefore we can write it as VA is equal to 24 volts. 24 volts. VA is equal to 24 volts. What about VB? VB, okay, right. Now VB and VC are super mesh. Therefore, what is the ticket? VC minus VB is equal to 1.1 Vx. 1.1 Vx. Okay, right. What about Vx? Vx is equal to what? Write on the equation. VB minus 0. VB minus 0. The value of the resistance. The value of the resistance is 20 ohms. 20 ohms. So what is that we have? Vx is nothing but equal to. But Vx is equal to VB minus 0. VB minus 0 divided by 20. Substitute in this equation. What will you get? Substitute in this equation, we'll get it as VC minus VB is equal to 1.1 into VB by 20. Vx is nothing but equal to VB by 20. VB by 20. Cross multiplied 20 VC minus 20 VB is equal to 1.1 VB. Is equal to 1.1 VB. So therefore, what is that? You can write it. Transfer to left hand side. If you transfer to left hand side, what will you get? Minus 21.1. First I'll write this one. If you transfer this one, minus 1.1 VB, minus 20 minus 1.1 VB, minus 21.1 VB plus 20 VC is equal to 0. Okay, right. Now call this as equation number 1. Call this as equation number 1. Next, what is that we have? VA over super mesh from the network we got it. And next, what is that we have is KCL2. Okay, right. VD also we know it. What is that VD? VD is equal to E. VD is equal to, VD is from the network. VD is equal to what? Minus E. Sorry. VD is equal to, this negative is connected here. See, between these 2 points, this principal node and ground node, there is a voltage source and that is equal to negative. Therefore, we can write it as minus E. VD is equal to minus E. Okay, right. Now, what about this one? VB. Okay. So, VB and VC, KCL. So, KCL to super node. KCL to super node. KCL to super node. So, this is super node, these two, and combined together, this one. So VC 2 elements are connected, VB 3 elements are connected, therefore you will get 5 terms. So how to start from this point? What is this one? Current is entering, but current should leave. Therefore, what you should get? Minus 2. And current is leaving, is correct. Therefore, plus 3. That's all. Only 2 elements. Now, if you go to this one, VB minus VA divided by 10. VB minus VA divided by 10. VB minus VA divided by 10. Small or big doesn't matter. VA, small itself you can take it. You take it as small a. Okay. VB minus VA divided by 10 plus VB minus 0. VB minus 0 divided by 20 plus VB minus VD divided by 5. VB minus VD divided by 5 is equal to 0. Now, substitute. So, this is VA. We got it. Eliminate VA so that we can have VB, VC, VD. So, VA is eliminated. You can eliminate it. Eliminate VA. So, what is that? You can write it. VA is equal to. Now, we substitute for VA. Before that, you can simplify for VB itself. So, minus 2 plus 3 is 1 plus VB. How much is this VB? 1 by 10 is 0.1. 0.1 VB. 1 by 10 is 0.1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 20 is 0.05. 0.1 plus 0.05 plus 0.5 is, what is that? 0.5, 1 by 5 is what? 0.2. So how much is that? 0.35, no? Yes or no? 0.35 VB, 0.35. Before that, VA. VA is how much? Minus 0.1. Minus 0.1 VA plus 0.35 VB. And what about VD? Minus 0.5 VD is equal to 0. Anyhow, you know VA, eliminate VA. VA is equal to 24. VA is equal to 24. So VA is equal to 1 minus, substitute for VA. VA is equal to 24. 1 minus 0.1 into 24 plus 0.35 VB minus 0.5 VD. VD is equal to 0. Okay, right. Now what is that? You can write it. This one can be written as what? 0.35 VB minus 0.5 VD is equal to 0.1 into 2.4 is minus 2.4. Minus 2.4 plus 1 is minus 1.4. Transfer to right hand side, you will get it as 1.4. Okay, right. Now we got the second equation. Okay, right? We got the second equation. And now what is that we have? Next to KCL to node. Okay, the VD we know it is minus E. No need to apply. This also, this value also know, you know, this value also we know. This becomes super node, and super node also we have applied. Now you apply the condition. What is the condition he has said? Find the value of E such that, the question is, what is that? Find the value of V will cause a Vx to be 0. So that means we'll have to find out E. What is the E value such that Vx is 0? That's what the question is. Vx is 0 means what is that we have? Vx is 0. Here we can write it as Vx is equal to, what is that you can write it? Vx is equal to Vb minus 0. Vb minus 0. Vb minus 0 divided by 20 we said. And Vx is 0 you said. Therefore, cross multiply. Therefore, we will get Vb is equal to 0. Vb is equal to 0, substitute here. Vb is equal to 0. Therefore, what will you get? 0.35 into 0 is equal to minus 0.5 into Vd, which is equal to 1.4. Therefore, this is 0. We got it, right? Therefore, Vd is equal to 1.4. 1.4 divided by minus 0.5. How much is this? 2.8 volts. Vd is equal to, but what is E? Minus 2.8, sorry, minus 2.8. But what is Vd? Vd is equal to minus E. Therefore, minus E is equal, Vd is equal to, we know that Vd is equal to minus E. Therefore, E is equal to minus Vd, which is nothing but equal to 2.8 volts. 2.8 volts. That's how we should do it. E is equal to 2.8 volts. 10, no? 2 amps, 3 amps, 24 volts, E, 5 ohms. Somewhere we did mistake in this. What is that we have? 0.1 Vx. Okay. 1.1 Vx I have taken. Okay, it's right. In my notes, I have taken this one as 0.1 Vx. But here I have taken 1.1 Vx, so that the value has become. So if you take 0.1 Vx, it will become 7 volts. Okay, it is a new problem. Don't worry about it. Just method you should understand, right? We shall go for one more problem. Okay, right. So this is another question. Find the power delivered by 5 amps current source in the circuit shown in figure. Is it? So the circuit is given like this: plus, minus, Okay, this is 2 ohms, 5 ohms, 1 ohm, 3 ohm, 10 volts, 2 amps. Okay, right. So he said that he has given that nodes 1, node 1, node 2, node 3, and this he said it as ground node. Okay, right. That is equal to V4 is equal to 0. This voltage he called as V1, V2, V3. Okay, question is find the power delivered by 5 amp source, 5 ohms, sorry, 5 amps. It is mistake here in the notes also. 5 amp source is there. What is the power delivered by it? First you find out the voltages and currents. Then you can easily do that. Power delivered by the 5 amp source. Now what is that? You can write it VA, VB, VC, or V1, V2, V3 you find out. And here we have a super node. What is that we have? Here we have a super node. This is super node. Because between two principal nodes without any series resistance there is a voltage source. So therefore what is that? You can write it V1 minus V2 is equal to 10. Call this as equation number 1. Next, KCL to V3. Okay, right. From super node, KCL to super node, what is that? Here you apply. What is that? Current is leaving +2 V1 minus V3 divided by 3 plus 2 over. Next you go for this one. So two elements are there. What is that? V2 minus V3 divided by 1. And current is entering, it should leave, therefore it is -5 is equal to 0. Now what are the coefficients of V1? 1 by 3 is 0.33 V1. What about V2? Plus V2. And what about V3? V3 is minus V3 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.33. 0.33 V3 plus 1 V3 minus 1.33 V3 is equal to -5 plus 2. -5 plus 2 is -3. Transfer to right hand side 3. We call this as equation number 2. Next, KCL to node 3. KCL to node 3. What is that we have? V3 minus V1 divided by 3 plus V3 minus V2 divided by 1 plus V3 minus 0 divided by 2. V3 minus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 0.33 V1 minus V2 plus 1.5 plus 1 by 3 0.33 1 plus 0.5 1.5 plus 1.833 plus 1.833 V3 is equal to 0. Call this equation as 3. V1, V2, V3 is equal to what is that we have? V1 coefficient, what is that we have? 1, first from the first equation, 1, minus 1, 0, 10. And second equation we have 0.33, 1, minus 1.33, 3. And third one, minus 0.33, minus 1, 1.833, 0. Tell me the values of V1, V2, V3. What are the values of V1, V2, V3? Second equation, is there anything wrong? Oh, one more resistance, I left it. Okay, indulge me. What is the value of V1, V2, V3? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ V1, V2, V3?
V1
15.7.
15.73.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ
15.73.
50 point
15.73.
15.72 volts. V2
5.73.
5.7 volts.
3 volts.
V3
5.96.
5.8 volts. V1, V2, V3. We have V1 is equal to 15.72, V2 5.7, V3 5.8 volts. Now, what is the power delivered? He said power delivered by this one. Okay, right. Now, what is that? You can write it. Power delivered by the 5 amp source. Power in 5 amps. P is equal to V into I. Once again, what is that we have? I, you know, power voltage is what? With respect to ground, it is V2. So therefore, P is equal to V2 into 5 amps. V2 into 5 amps. V2 is how much? 5.7. 5.7 into 5. How much is this? Power delivered by 5 amp source is this. 28.5 watts. Okay. Okay, in my notes I have done it the one problem, but here the one resistance extra is there in that. Here we don't have that resistance, so it's having a different value. Okay, right. Now, we shall move on to some few more examination problems from the recent papers. Okay, right. Another problem from the examination, January 2019. January 2019. January 2019. 8 marks question. The question is, use node voltage method to find the power developed by the 20 volt source in the circuit shown, he said. So he has given like this, something like this. 35 IB, 35 IB plus minus 35 IB we have, and this is 2 ohms, this is 2 ohms, 1 ohm, 4 ohm plus minus VA 20 volts, 20 ohms. This one is 40 ohms. This he called it as IB, and this is 80 ohms, and this is 3.125 VA. VA, this is VA, this is 2 dependent sources, 35 IB dependent sources are there. That's it. Okay, right? 80 ohms. Now, we shall do this problem. The question is something like this. First, you find out the node voltages. You call this one as V1. This one you call it as V2. This one you call it as V3. This one you call it as V4. This one you call it as V5. V5 is equal to 0. Here 4 unknowns are there. One will have to eliminate it. And the problem will be given in such a fashion that one will be automatically gets eliminated. Otherwise, it's not possible because calculator will do only 3 unknowns. Now, what is that we have from the network? From the network, from the network, what we have is V2 is equal to V2 is equal to 20 volts. Eliminating all the circuit V2 because we'll have to V1, V3, V4 we can. Okay. There is a super mesh concept here. Super mesh is there. Super mesh is because there is a voltage source between 2 principal nodes. Therefore, this is a super node. Super node. Okay, right. This kind of questions will be asked for 8 marks. Okay, right. Now, what is that we have? So, from the network, what else we have? V1 minus V4. V1 minus V4 is equal to 335 IB. 35 IB. Therefore, but IB is equal to what? IB is nothing but equal to V3 minus 0. V3 minus 0 divided by 40. Therefore, substitute for IB. IB is equal to, what is that you can write it? V1 minus V4 is equal to 35 into V3 by 40. V3 by 40. Cross multiply or you can simplify it. It is equal to 0. Sorry. 35, what is that? 35 into V3 divided by 40. You can simplify with 5 all itself or cross multiply it. 40 V1 minus 40 V4 is equal to 35 V3. Otherwise, don't simplify. Calculator will do. Okay, right. Now, what is that we have? 40 V1 minus 35 V3 minus 40 V4 is equal to 0. Okay, right? Call this as equation number 1. Call this as equation number 1. Next, KCL to super mesh. KCL to super mesh. KCL to super mesh. Now you take this one and this one combined together, it becomes super mesh. How many terms you should get it? 1, 2 elements. 1, 2, 3 elements. Total 5 terms you should get it. So start with this one. V1 minus 0. V1 minus 0 divided by 20 plus V1 minus V2. V1 minus V2 divided by 2 plus these 2 over. Next you come to this one plus V1 minus V4. Sorry. V1 minus V4 minus V3 divided by 4 plus V4 minus 0 divided by 80 plus current is leaving means what? Plus 3.125 VA is equal to 0. Substitute. Eliminate to 1 by 1. V1 coefficients are 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.05. 0.05 plus 0.5. 0.05 plus 0.5 is 0.55. 0.55 V1, 0.55 V1. What about V2? Minus 1 by 2 V2, minus 0.5 V2, minus 0.5 V2. What about V3? V3 only one is there, minus 1 by 4 is 0.25, minus 0.25 V3. What about V4? V4 is, what is that we have? 1 by 4 is 0.25 plus 1 by 80, 0.0125. 0.0125 plus 0.25. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 80. How much is that? 0.2625. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 80? Okay. Okay, right. Into V4 plus 3.125 VA is equal to 0. Is it visible? Okay. VA is equal to, but what is VA? But VA is equal to, see, this is VA, V2 minus V3, V2 minus V3. Substitute in that equation, V2 minus V3 for VA, and eliminate V2 also. Later on we shall eliminate it. 0.55 V1 minus 0.5 V2 minus 0.25 V3 plus 0.2625 V4 plus 3.125 into V2 minus V3. V2 minus V3 is equal to 0. Okay, right. Now what is V1 coefficient? V1 coefficient is, so okay, right. 0.55 V1 minus 0.5 V2 plus 3.125 V2. So 3.125 minus 0.5. 3.125 minus 0.5. 2.625 V2. What about V3? Minus 3.21, okay. Minus 3.125. 3.125 plus 0.25. 3.125 plus 0.25. No, add it. 3.125 plus 0.25. 3.375 V3 minus, see, this is also minus sign is there, this is also minus, therefore minus 3.375 V3 plus 0.2625 V4 is equal to 0. Now you eliminate V2. Eliminate V2. Substitute for V2. What will you get? 0.55 V1 minus 3.375 V3 plus 0.2625 V4 is equal to 2.625 into V2. V2 is how much? V2 is 20. 20 into 2.625? 20 into 2.52? 52.5 transfer to right hand side, minus 52.5. Okay, call this as equation number 2. Call this as equation number 2. Now we got this right. Now you go for the KCL to node. See, V1 is super node. V1 and V4 are combined together super node. V2 we know from the network itself V2. V3 only left out. So KCL to node 4. KCL to node 4. KCL to node 4. What is that? You can write it. V3 minus V2. V3 minus V2 by 1 plus V3 minus 40. V3 minus 0 divided by 40 plus V3 minus V4. V3 minus V4. V3 minus V4 divided by 4 is equal to 0. V3 minus V2 divided by 1. V3 minus 0 divided by 40 and V3 minus V4 divided by 4. Okay, V2 coefficient minus V2. V3 coefficient 1 by 4 is 0.25. 1 by 40 is 0.025. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 40. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 40. 0 point plus 0 plus 1. 1.0275. 0.275. Okay, right. 1 point, that is plus 1 is there. 1.275 V3 and V4 minus 0.25 V4 is equal to 0. Now you substitute for V2. Substitute for V2. Okay, right. What is that we get it? So if you substitute for V2, V2 is what? 20. Therefore, 1.275 V3 minus 0.25 V4 is equal to, what is that we have? Minus 20 transferred right hand side plus 20. Call this as equation number 3. If you solve this one, you will get V1, V3, V4, you will get it. Okay, right? Anyhow, I'll continue in the next class.